How to fix no streams available on Stremio PC 2026 guide in this video. I'm going to show you how to fix the no streams available, or no streams were found message on Stremio PC using safe and legitimate troubleshooting steps. First, understand what this message actually means. Stremio itself does not provide the movies, shows, subtitles, or streams you see inside the app. That information comes from installed add-ons. So when Stremio says no streams are available, it usually means none of your currently installed add-ons can provide a stream for that particular content. Start by checking another movie, show, or supported piece of content. If streams appear normally there, your Stremio installation is probably working, and the original title simply may not have a source available through your installed add-ons. Next, open Stremio and go to the add-ons section. Check that the official or legitimate add-ons you normally use are still installed and functioning. If you don't have the appropriate add-on for the content you're trying to access, install one from a legitimate source that provides content you have permission to watch. If an add-on that previously worked suddenly stops returning streams, try uninstalling and reinstalling that add-on. Then completely close Stremio, reopen it, and test the content again. Remember that many community add-ons are operated independently, so Stremio cannot guarantee that every community add-on will always remain available. Next, check your internet connection. Open another website or streaming service and make sure your PC is actually online. Restarting your router and PC can also resolve temporary connectivity problems. Now make sure you're running the latest desktop version of Stremio. If you're experiencing a streaming server error alongside the missing streams, Stremio officially recommends reinstalling the latest desktop application. Firewall or antivirus software can also interfere with the local streaming server, so check whether your security software is blocking Stremio. Don't permanently disable your security protection. Instead, verify that the legitimate Stremio application has the appropriate permissions. You can also sign out of Stremio, completely close the application, reopen it, and sign back into your account. This can refresh your synchronized settings and installed add-ons. Here's a pro tip. If streams disappear only from one community add-on while everything else works, don't repeatedly reinstall Stremio. The problem may be with that add-on server rather than your computer. Wait and check the add-on developer's official support information. And avoid installing unknown add-ons or services promising unauthorized access to copyrighted movies or subscription content. Stick with legitimate sources and content you're authorized to stream. And that's how to troubleshoot the no streams available message on Stremio PC in 2026. Check different content, verify your add-ons, test your connection, update Stremio, and reinstall the desktop app if the streaming server itself isn't working. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which Stremio problem you want me to cover next.